starving polar bear grabs a walrus by the tail and shakes it hard. But the walrus weighs a ton, and the bear can't drag it at all. Plus, its giant tusks can hit hard enough to kill. So the polar bear backs off, clearly frustrated. The whole beach is packed with walruses squeezed together. And because the beach sits by a cliff, they barely have space to move. Some walruses start climbing the cliff to escape the noise in the crowd. Up there, they finally get a moment of quiet. But their awkward limbs already struggle on flat ground. They're ocean animals, yet now they're forced to climb an 80-meter cliff. They just want a place to rest. But they never realize the cliff itself is deadly. A hungry polar bear follows them up. It wants to trap the walruses on the cliff. When the bear gets close, the walruses panic. Their first reaction is to rush toward the water, but they forget they're standing on a cliff, and their terrible eyesight makes it worse. They get pushed straight into a dead end. The polar bear watches them from the side, waiting to strike. The walruses scream in pure desperation, and when the bear steps closer again, the trapped walruses jump off the cliff. It looks like the predator killed them, but the real cause is the shrinking habitat from global warming. The walruses have no choice, and not even a mountain can stop them from searching for a new home. When one walrus hits the rocks, chaos explodes on the beach. They trample each other and more of them die. A heavy animal like this climbing cliffs for safety shows just how desperate they are. And when they fall from that height, even a thick-skinned walrus hits the ground with a broken tusk. Watching the panic spread across the beach, the whole herd feels like it's living through the end of the world. In only a few days, more than 200 walruses die here. This kind of event used to happen once every few years, but now the warming climate keeps rising, and shrinking sea ice will make these falls happen more often.